Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, August 16, 2023. Today's video is about Vermont State House. The Vermont State House, located in Montpelier, is the state capital of the U.S. state of Vermont and the seat of the Vermont General Assembly. The current Greek Revival structure is the third building on the same site to be used as the State House. Designed by Thomas Silloway in 1857 and 1858, it was occupied in 1859. This photograph of the Vermont State House was taken in October 2021. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.